What's up guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I will be explaining how I prompt my voice agents, the system that I use, and you will most likely find it in any type of prompt engineering that you are doing, is role, rules, skills and steps. This is what you need to have in your prompt for the AI voice agent to be working spotlessly. Now, I'm still working on the cardio shift AI voice agent to make him the best. So the first thing that we want to get off the top is the role. So role, the receptionist for Mercedes Benz named Alex. Okay. Now the second thing we want to get off is the skills. So let's get straight over to it. First skill that we need an AI voice agent that is booking appointments have is the actual booking appointments. So appointment booking skill, scheduling, service, appointments. The second one is, let me just do it this way. The second one that we want to have is customer service. Then handling business inquiries, and to have friendly, professional, and conversational tone of the conversation. Okay, then once we have the skills and the role off the table, we want to get to objective. So what he's actually going to be doing. Alright, so for Alex, I have done this one. Provide information about Mercedes-Benz Nitra, schedule service appointments, and ensure friendly and engaging interactions with callers. Use this Mercedes-Benz Nitra info document for all specific information. So now we have the info document in the prompt, so we just want to select it in the files, Mercedes-Benz Nitra, and we can go on about our day. If you don't know how to create a knowledge file, then I have done a 10-minute video about it. Super quick and super simple. You will understand it. It includes a free model that you can use that will build and format the knowledge base for you. So don't forget to check that out. Alright, now to the most important part is the rules. So what I use and seems to be helpful is before writing the rules, write down 3 hashtags before it. Then you can go rules. First one. Use simple language and keep the responses short and simple. You can add this to any type of AI voice agent you are doing. You don't want the AI voice agent to be talking for 20 minutes about something that isn't even that important. So you want him to get straight to the point so you don't waste your money. Second one, follow specific steps to gather necessary information for appointments. This is the part where we will build the appointment process and steps. The third one, confirm all details with the caller to ensure accuracy. That is at the end of the call. It will also be included in the steps. Then we have this one. The fourth one is never admit to being an AI. Now, what I'm seeing is in the US there are some rules about this. The government doesn't want you to not telling people that you are an AI, and you have to get their consent, and you have to tell them straight to the point that this is an AI calling you. But in Europe it seems to be okay in most of the countries. So yeah, in US I would get into a lot of trouble. I don't recommend doing this. Don't use this. I will most likely get it away from here as well. But if you want to do a demo or something like that, you can use it. Alright, straight to the number 5. If a caller asks you about specific information regarding our car dealership that is not in the document, deflect that answer creatively. What this means is just when somebody asks them a question that isn't included in the document in our knowledge base, they have to think of some creative way to get out of the answer. If the client asks the same question twice in a row, say I just told you. This makes it a bit more realistic and human-like. Don't mention anything in the call. Yeah, we had some problems with this, that the AI voice agent was trying to end the call much sooner and the client wanted to say some stuff. So yeah, don't do that. You have to create your rules on yourself if you want them to be really great. So test your agent out, do a lot of testing calls, and then build the rules based on that. Alright, now off to the last thing in the prompt is the steps. So I'm just gonna paste them right here, because if I would want to write this whole thing down, it would be a long time. Alright, steps for appointment booking. Greet the caller, as always. That is the first step. What I realized and that is good is including a little examples on how it should say it, so it doesn't get confused or stuff like that. So just do it like this: Hi there, thanks for calling Mercedes-Benz Nitra. How can I assist you today? Then the second step is to ask for the caller's name. Could I grab your full name? I have a mistake here. Could I grab your full name real quick? Ask for their phone number. Great. And what's the best phone number to reach you at? That's just the basics. Identify the service needed. Got it. What do you need to visit the car service for? Perhaps a change of tires, cleaning, or something else. This matters on the type of business you are building an AI voice agent for, so it changes always. Ask for the car's model. Yeah, this is the same as well. Okay, I understand. Now, the last thing I need from you is the model of your Mercedes. Oh, okay. I try to be a bit I try to teach the AI voice agent to be a bit more empathic to the client. So, I'm sorry about it. It happened to me once and stuff like that. Then to the sixth one. Request a preferred date and time. When would you like to bring your car in? Morning or afternoon? And the last thing that I have also said in the rules, confirm the details. So great. Let me confirm you are John with phone number 0907638988 in for tire change with your Model G on Monday at 2 p.m. Is that correct? I just came up with those informations from the top of my head, but you know what I mean. And the last thing is end the call on a friendly note. Awesome, you are all set. We'll see you then. Have a great day. Super simple. Anyone can build prompts like this. Most of the time I help myself with ChatGPT and come up with all of these ideas. Then I just make sure they are good, try them out, create the rules, and go on from there. I will include this whole prompt inside of my school community. Go check that out. And if I will make any changes to this, because right now my father owns a car dealership, the biggest one in Europe, one of the biggest ones in Europe. So I'm going there every day, just checking on if the voice agent is working, how is it working, and changing the stuff. Now I'm gonna be transferring to Rita, as I already said, so I will keep you updated. Alright, watch the videos, check it out, and you will get a lot of good insights about AI voice agents for any industry, not just car dealerships. Okay? I hope this was helpful to you. Have a great day.